There we go. Right off the rip. I think this must be a bass though. Yeah. Hit it right as soon as, basically as soon as it hit the water. I figured it wasn't a pike. First fish of the morning. Not a bad one. Hit it as soon as it hit the water. Pretty nice fish. It's not the species we're looking for. There we go. That's a nice bass. Another bass. Haven't found the pike yet, but getting into the bass here, and this one's a little better one. This one's not bad at all. All right, that's a nice one right there.
Yeah.
That's not freaking bad. I'm not gonna complain about that one, that's for sure. All right, off to a pretty good start. Still no pike yet, but that's a nice 3 1/4 pound bass. So not bad at all. Definitely healthy looking fish. There we go. That looked like that same one I just had. Hit it right at the boat. That one looks weird. Its neck is like kinked. Yeah, that fish is deformed or something, dude. That looks weird.
Oh my God.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
I want to get this fish up here because check it out, because it is weird looking. Seriously, look like it got hit by a boat. It's definitely a weird looking pike. You can see like the neck is like crooked and the body is like really skinny. Look like he suffered some kind of injury or something.
It's got a scar right there outside.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what happened to this guy, but he's still eating, still hunting, so definitely a weird looking fish though. First pike of the day, so we'll get him back. There we go. I'm not sure what this is. That's a bass. I didn't think it was anything too special. That's a decent bass though.
I don't really understand why you're figure eighting the bass you already saw.
It's all about the footage.
He's really fighting.
Not a bad largemouth. This little chunky one, a stocky fish. There we go. Well, Billy got his first fish. I love your fish handling skills, man. Just a textbook release, you know. Can't get it much better than that. So I'm gonna take my other pole. I got a Texas rig tied up, and I'm gonna throw on one of these Guggen baits, bandito bugs, and just for fun, flip and pitch this around too. See if I can get a big bass or something. I'm still gonna use the spinner bait, but I'm gonna have this on my other pole. I haven't used these Guggen baits too much, but I have caught a few fish on this bandito bug. Seems to be pretty legit. I like them. This is the June bug color. Oh, dude, did you see that?
What was it?
It was a pike following my bandito bug.
Really?
Yeah. I'm gonna drop it down there. He's probably bite me off, but that was weird. Yeah, right. That's why you're not catching no fish. Bad karma. There's one. Oh, that was that pike too. Did you see it? Yeah.
Holy shit.
Dang, I had him for a second. He wants this freaking bandito bug, man.
Look, put one on my
That was crazy. There we go. Got him that time. I don't know if it's that pike or if it's a bass. It feels like a bass. Oh, it's the pike. Bandito bug pike. I swear this thing's bit it like 4 times. Texas rig pike. All right, another pike. Not much size to him yet today, but better than nothing, I guess. This one was on a Texas rig bandito bug, so definitely kind of weird.
Look at them teeth.
Throw him back.
Don't throw on.
You got a fish on there, dude.
Holy fuck.
Look at that crappie. Holy crap, dude. That's a monster crappie. You didn't even know you had a fish on, dude. Big old crappie.
You want him?
Nah.
That's a big one. It's a pig, man.
Big old crappie. Catching a multi-species on the bandito bug today.
These things are awesome.
Out of northern, crappie, bass. I'd say it's a good lure. Oh, my camera wasn't rolling, but I hooked one, and it feels big too. This might be a big one, man. It went on a run and it's buried in the weeds now. God, I hope it didn't get off, man. It buried itself. Yeah, it's a decent one. Freaking.
Same pike has been hitting us a bunch of times. Holy balls, that is a big one.
Yeah, it's a pretty big one, dude. That's a big one.
Better land it.
Freaking dove right in the weeds, man. Here, get that net out for me, will you? Oh my God, it's stripping like drag off my pole, dude. We got a big one.
Oh shit.
Whoo! All right, don't pull it up, dude. Leave it in the water. Oh my God.
Dude, he's halfway out.
No. What? He went through your net, dude. Oh my God. Where's the pliers? I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get this thing.
You're gonna have to pull his head through.
Come on, careful, dude. He's gonna get off. Don't. He's gonna get off, dude.
He's through.
If he goes on a run. That land job got kind of sketchy there at the end. He actually went through the net, and I had to pick him up by hand. He's not long. I actually thought he was bigger than he is, but he's fat. He's like super thick. So definitely the best one of the day so far. Pretty good one. We'll get him back, try to get some more.
He's real thick.
Yeah, he's definitely eating good. Go in a minute. Go straight down in the weeds. All right, well, that was fun. The net job was a little dicey there, but we got her done. Good pike, probably, I don't even know, maybe 30 inches or so, but definitely a thick, healthy pike. So it's turned out to be a good day so far. It actually turned into more of a bass fishing day. I've been throwing the big booyah spinnerbait most of the day, and the bass have just been clobbering it. But we are getting some pike too, so we're accomplishing our goal, what we came out here to do, catch some pike. We're gonna get back after it. Hopefully we can get a couple more before we go in. Not even trying right now. I'm not gonna try to.
I'm not even trying. Not even trying. Yeah, it's in the open water.
There's another one. There we go, baby. Thumped it. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a big one, dude. You better get the net. Give me the net, man. You're not even gonna open it? That's a big one, dude. Oh. Pretty big. And the spinner came up too. Oh. I hate your net. Yeah, Billy's being a little salty, understandably so. I think he's caught like two fish all day. And that was probably like my 24th fish.
No, it was not.
But he'll get over it. I'm over it. It's a big pike though. It's a real big pike. Come on, dude. Billy's so salty right now. I caught way more fish than him. He caught like 2 fish. I caught like 30. Come on, dude. Alright, well, that's gonna be a wrap on today's video. Pretty good day.
Oh my god.
Caught some good bass, a couple good pike. The pike weren't no real giants, but they were decent, you know, average size. So
one giant.
Yeah, the last one I hooked there was big, but Billy
lost it because of lack of experience.
Billy refused to help me land it, so because he was
catching one myself. Two at a time, actually.
No, that's not the case. Yeah, that last one was a decent one, but I lost it.
Yeah, just lack of experience.
Because Billy refused to help me because he was being all butt hurt up front because he wasn't catching any fish. So.
I'm Jimmy, and I need help landing my fish.
Well, that's all right.
I can't land my own fish.
No hard feelings. I forgive him. He's family. You know, family get pretty competitive sometimes, and
take the hook out.
He got his butt kicked today, so I'll let him soak in his defeat. That's all right. But that's how fishing goes sometimes. Sometimes you do good, and sometimes you do really, really bad. Really bad. But anyway, so as always, hope everybody's doing good out there. Hope everybody's catching fish, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.